Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a very beginners friendly standing Pilates. For our practice today, if you happen to have a Pilates ball, absolutely use that. If you don't have a Pilates ball, that is okay. You can just imagine that you have a Pilates ball. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin our practice, we're going to start with a nice little warm-up. You're going to stand really tall. You're going to go ahead and grab the ball, place it right in front of your thighs, and you're basically going to slowly start to roll down as you exhale. Go right below your knee. Notice on how you feel. It's a gentle bend in your knees, okay? And then as you're ready for an inhale, it's a slow rising all the way up, lifting your head super high. And then as you exhale, we go ahead and fold all the way down, pressing your hips back, pressing your feet down, letting go of your head, gentle bend in your knees. And then we're going to slowly start to rise all the way up. Head is the very last thing to come all the way up. Again, we're going to do several more of those. It's a nice little fold all the way down. And then we're going to slowly start to hug the belly in, rise all the way up. Head is the very last thing to lift up. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. We're going to slowly start to go ahead and go all the way down. Let go of your head. And then we're going to slowly start to roll all the way up. Head is the very last thing to lift all the way up. We're going to slowly start to find this ball, put it right in between your inner thighs. We're going to do a gentle cat and cow. Now the ball really helps you engage your inner thighs. Again, make sure you're really bringing your belly in. The back is all the way flat as much as you can. You're going to go ahead and bring your hands on your thigh. It's a nice little inhale, lifting your collarbones all the way up. The hand goes down towards your knees. And then as you exhale, go ahead and round. Again, inhale, lifting up. As you exhale, we round. Several more. Inhale, we lift up. And then as you exhale, we round. 3 more. Inhale, we lift. And then as you exhale, we round. Last 2. Inhale, we lift. As you exhale, we round. Final 1. Inhale, we lift. And then as you exhale, we round. This time slowly start to rise all the way up. Once you're up, you're going to go ahead and grab the ball. We're going to separate your feet a little bit wider. We're going to take a moment here to reach the ball super high to the ceiling. You're going to go all the way towards the right. Go all the way down. You're going to go all the way to the left. Slowly go ahead and come all the way up. We're going to do 3 more on this side. It's a gentle movement. Try to feel that you're making the biggest circle if you can. Go ahead and come all the way out, all the way up. Let's do a couple more. Gently go ahead and come all the way up. Now once you're up, you're going to go all the way to the left. Let's go ahead and slowly start to go all the way to the left. Gently go ahead and go to the right. You're going to come all the way up. We're going to go all the way to the left. We're going to go down. We're going to come all the way high. Last 2. We're going to go ahead and go all the way to the right. We're going to come up. One more time. We're going to go ahead and go all the way to the left. And then we're going to go ahead and come all the way up. Once you're up in this posture, you're going to slowly start to take your hands to either side. Bring your ball on your right hand down your right thigh. You're going to roll it all the way down. It's a nice little side body bend. We're going to go ahead and come all the way up as you exhale. Inhale, we go all the way down. Exhale, we come all the way up. Last 3. Inhale, we go all the way down. Exhale, come all the way up. Final 1. Inhale, we go down. Exhale, we go ahead and come all the way up. From here, slowly bring your ball all the way high. Take it all the way towards the left hand. And you're going to go all the way out. The ball is going to go down your left IT band. It's a nice roll all the way down. We're going to slowly go ahead and come all the way up. Let's go ahead and do this for 3. We slowly go ahead and come up. Let's go ahead and do this for 2. We're going to gently go ahead and come up. Let's do a final one. Keep your core engaged. We're going to slowly go ahead and come all the way up. From here, we're going to go ahead and hold the ball. Take a moment here to bring your feet a little bit back in together. From here, as you're ready, you're going to slowly start to keep the ball in between your hands. You're going to squeeze it in. You're going to take a moment here to reach the ball all the way high. And then as you exhale, slowly hug the belly in. The rib cage goes down. You're going to pull your right knee towards your chest. Inhale, we go high. As you exhale, the left knee comes up. Inhale, we go high. Right knee comes up. Inhale, we go high. Go ahead and bring your left knee all the way up. Again, inhale, we go high. Bring your right knee all the way up. Inhale, we go high. Bring your left knee all the way up. Adding a little bit more, inhale, we go high. This time the ball is going to go underneath the right leg. Slowly go ahead and come all the way up. And again, exhale, go ahead and lift your left leg up. The ball is going to go underneath your left leg. Slowly rise all the way up. We're here for our last 2. Slowly go ahead and come up. This would be a final one. Slowly go ahead and come all the way up. Now keep your ball in your left hand. Same thing, this time the left knee comes all the way up as you exhale. Inhale, go all the way high. And then right knee comes all the way up as you exhale. We're going to go slowly high. Really good. Last 2. We're going to slowly go down. Take it all the way high. Make sure the ball is in your left hand. We're going to slowly go underneath the right. Gently go ahead and go all the way down. Now from here, you're going to slowly separate your feet a little bit wider. You're going to gently take your hands all the way forward. Hug the belly in, the back is flat. The ball is going to go in your left hand, goes all the way back open. When you come forward, rise all the way up. Left hand stays forward, right hand goes all the way back. Inhale all the way in. As you exhale, we go all the way back. Again, inhale all the way in. As you exhale, we go all the way back. We go all the way in. As you exhale, let's go all the way back. Inhale all the way in. As you exhale, go all the way back. This time, inhale all the way in. As you exhale, we go all the way back. We're going to stay here. Go ahead and lift that left hand up for a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to slowly bring it all the way up. The ball goes in your right hand, sink all the way down, hug the belly in. We lift up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to slowly bring it all the way up. From here, slowly bring your ball in front of your chest. You're going to squeeze the ball in. You're going to gently bend your legs slowly. You're going to take your right leg all the way up. We're going to do a nice little rotation. It's a nice little twist. It's a nice little opening. We're here for a count of 6. We open up, inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, we open. Exhale, twist. Inhale, we open. Exhale, twist. Inhale, we open. Last 2. Inhale, we open. This is a final one. We open all the way up. Really good. From here, bring your right leg back in. We're going to slowly take your left leg all the way out. We're going to twist to the left. Inhale, breathe in. As you exhale, let's go ahead and twist. Inhale, open. As you exhale, twist. Inhale, open. As you exhale, twist. Last 3, inhale, open. As you exhale, twist. Last 1, inhale, open. As you exhale, we twist. This time, open all the way up. Bring your leg all the way back in. You're going to go ahead and separate your feet wider apart. Make sure your toes are turning out. Make sure you're tucking your pubis bone all the way up so your back is flat. The ball is going to go in your right hand. Again, take your hands back so you're opening up your chest. As you exhale, you're going to bend your knee. The ball goes back. Inhale, we come up. As you exhale, the ball goes back. Inhale, coming all the way up. It's a very slow movement. We go down. Inhale, we come up. Exhale, we go down. Inhale, we come up. Exhale, we go down. Inhale, we come up. Again, exhale, we go down. Inhale, we come up. One more time. Exhale, we go down. Inhale, we come up. Really good. Now keep the ball in your left hand. We're going to slowly rotate towards the right. So I'm going to come a little bit forward for this. Go ahead and slowly, make sure you turn your toes slightly forward. You're going to turn all the way to the right. The left hand or the ball goes all the way down to the right. You're going to go ahead and come all the way back in. And you're going to switch the ball. Really good. Open up. You're going to rotate. You're going to go all the way down. Going to come up, rotate back in, bring the ball in. Really good. Open up, take your hands back. It's a nice little rotation. Exhale. We're going to go down, inhale. And then exhale, come all the way up. Inhale, open. Exhale, grab the ball. Again, you're opening up. As you exhale, twist. Inhale, we go down. Exhale, come up. Inhale, come back in. As you exhale, grab the ball. Really good. One more time. Open all the way up. Let's go ahead and rotate. We're going to go all the way to the right. Come all the way back in. Turning back in. Go ahead and grab it. Really good. Open all the way up. We're going to rotate towards the left. Slowly go down. We're going to gently come up. Open it all the way up. Really good. Keep the ball in your right hand. Bring your left hand to your left thigh. Make sure your toes are turning forward. The ball is going to go all the way out. Maybe a little bit higher if it's okay with your shoulder. As you exhale, bend your left knee, go down. You're sinking back. Again, inhale, open up. As you exhale, we come down. Last 3. As you exhale, we come down. Last 2. We come all the way down. Final 1. We're gonna come all the way down. Really good. Inhale, go all the way high. We're gonna slowly bring the ball in the center. Go ahead and take your left hand either out here if it's okay with your shoulder. If you want a little bit more extension, go ahead and take it slightly high. Bring your right hand to your right hip, and then you're gonna bend your right knee, go all the way back as you exhale. Inhale, open up. As you exhale, we go down. Really good. Inhale, open up. As you exhale, we go down. Really good. Again, inhale, open up. As you exhale, we go down. Final 1. Inhale, open up. As you exhale, we go all the way down. Really good. This time, inhale, open all the way up. You're going to bring your ball right in front of you. So I'm going to shift a little bit back for this one. You're going to take your ball all the way forward, and you're going to slowly start to push your hips back. The ball comes all the way on the floor. Have your left hand on the ball, reach your right hand high. It's a nice little twist. As you exhale, bring it down. One more time, it's a twist. Bring it all the way down. You're going to have your right hand on the ball, the left hand goes high. It's a twist. Bring it all the way down. One more time, it's a twist. Bring it all the way down. From here, keep pressing your hips back, grab the ball, slowly rise all the way up. You're going to go ahead and bring your feet a little bit in if it's too difficult for you. You're going to bring your ball on your right thigh. It's a nice little hamstring stretch. We're going to roll the ball down and then fold. We're going to stay here for 5. Let's do 4. We're here for 3. Let's do 2. Let's do 1 more breath. From here, slowly roll the ball all the way up. Rise all the way up. Take your ball all the way across, and then you're going to take it all the way to the left. It's a nice little reach towards the left. You can stay here. You can release your head down. If you have that flexibility, go all the way down, and you're going to fold. You're here for 5. Keep pressing back. We're here for 4. Let's go ahead and do 3. We're here for 2. Let's do 1 more breath. And then slowly go ahead and come all the way up. Really good. You're going to gently start to bring your feet all the way back in. You're going to take your hands all the way out. Open up your chest. Really good. You're going to slowly start to take your head all the way to the left. Bring it all the way down. Towards the right. All the way up. To the left. All the way down. To the right. All the way back. Lift all the way up. You're going to bring it all the way down. You're going to slowly open it up. You're going to go ahead and take your head all the way to the right. Bring it all the way down. Take it to the left. Take it up. Take it to the right. All the way down. All the way to the left. All the way up. You're going to bring all the way back in. Again, bring your ball all the way right on your chest this time. And then we're going to slowly roll the ball all the way down. It's a nice little hug the belly in. You're going to roll, roll, roll. Gentle bending your knees if you need it. We're going to go ahead and fold all the way down as much as we can. And then from here, slowly start to hug the belly in. You're going to roll it all the way back. Rising all the way up. And then as you exhale 1 more time, we're going to go ahead and fold all the way down. Let's go ahead and fold. We're going to slowly start to roll all the way up. Rise all the way up. And then release your ball all the way down. Thank you so much, guys, for practicing with me. I'm going to add the Fusion HIIT Pilates class right up here, which is the class of last week. So definitely practice, and I have made a playlist on my channel. So there are playlists from April and there are playlists from me. You can try those classes back to back. So definitely try them. Again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Thank you so much.